Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Rohit Menon, former visa officer, continuing my New Zealand interview question and answer series. Today, the question is that the visa officer that may ask you is, why do you want to study in New Zealand? Why not India? And further to this question, it can also be, why not any other country? Why New Zealand? तो क्वेश्चन है सिर्फ न्यूजीलैंड ही क्यों, इंडिया क्यों नहीं, इंडिया में क्यों नहीं पढ़ते, एंड इंडिया के अलावा और कंट्रीज में क्यों नहीं, न्यूजीलैंड में ही क्यों आपने चॉइस ऑफ कोर्स और यूनिवर्सिटी या कॉलेज चुना है अपना। तो प्रीवियस जो भी हमारा इंटरेक्शन रहा है न्यूजीलैंड की सीरीज में, लास्ट क्वेश्चन में मैंने वही कोर्स और कंट्री के बारे में कि कंट्री क्या चूज करनी है, कोर्स क्या, प्रोग्राम क्या चूज करना है, इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे शुरू होती है, इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में डिस्कस किया था। आज हम बात करेंगे इंटरव्यू की इस सीरीज में कि जब आपसे वीजा ऑफिसर पूछेगा, व्हेन ही और शी विल आस्क यू व्हाई यू हैव सिलेक्टेड न्यूजीलैंड। सो गाइस, द प्रिपरेशन फॉर दिस क्वेश्चन इज रिसर्च बेस्ड। आपको रिसर्च करना पड़ेगा, आपको बताना पड़ेगा कि न्यूजीलैंड जो है एक वेल डेवलप्ड कंट्री है, इसकी इंटरनेशनल एजुकेशन जो है वो it's very much in demand. So here you go with the answer. You say that I have done a lot of research about various countries, including India, and after a lot of research, I came to a conclusion that I would want to study and gain an international qualification from New Zealand. And you answer the questions in points. You say that there are various reasons for selecting New Zealand. Number one is that it is a developed country, and the courses and the programs and the universities in New Zealand are very, very highly in demand, and they are very well popular and recommended all over the world, not just in New Zealand. And if I do an international qualification from a country like New Zealand, it will add a lot of value to my portfolio. ये याद करो ये लाइन को, it will add a lot of value to my portfolio. So whatever your current state is right now, उससे आपका लेवल ऊपर ही जाएगा एडवांसमेंट में, क्योंकि आपके पास एक इंटरनेशनल क्वालिफिकेशन आ जाएंगी. Tell them that you researched about the similar courses that are available in India, and you can say that I am not specifically studying in India because although Indian qualifications are very highly recommended and very, very high, in bigger universities and very high class universities in India also there are courses which you can do, but you should say that your end goal is to gain an international or a global qualification, which I can never gain from India. If I study a similar program, a bachelor's or a diploma program in India, अगर मैं इंडिया से पढ़ता हूँ तो मुझे क्वालिफिकेशन तो मिल जाएगी, लेकिन सेम ग्लोबल qualification का ठप्पा नहीं लगेगा. So you will say I will not get a global qualification which I want, right? So you say this, and you say that I have researched about the website and the country, and you also talk about the comparison that I've compared the tuition fees and the living expenses in New Zealand as compared to Canada, Australia, and whatever research you have done, you must talk about it. Guys, it is very important that you do a lot of research. सिर्फ इंटरव्यू के आंसर्स जो मैं बता रहा हूँ इसके बेसिस पे आप अपना एक आंसर मत बनाओ. इसके बाद ये सुनने के बाद यू मस्ट रिसर्च अबाउट द कंट्री कि इस जो कोर्स आपने सोचा है, जिस यूनिवर्सिटी में, जिस कॉलेज में सोचा है, फाइंड आउट इफ द सिमिलर कोर्सेज आर अवेलेबल इन डिफरेंट यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड अकॉर्डिंगली अप्लाई फॉर इट. एंड देन you talk about this answer during your interview. So let us map down important points. Why New Zealand? Because you want to gain an international qualification. The qualification done from New Zealand is recognized not just in New Zealand, not just in India, but all over the world. And you want to gain an international qualification at a decently priced tuition fees, at a decently priced living cost amount, and that is why you have chosen to study in New Zealand. 3-4 points में always try to answer your questions in points so that the visa officer clearly understands your point of view. Don't say it as a paragraph, say it in points, say that number 1 reason for selecting New Zealand, number 2 reason for selecting New Zealand. इस तरीके से बोलोगे तो the chances of getting a yes from the visa officer for your approval will be very high. So stay tuned while I come back with the next question on this series of New Zealand interview question answers. Until then, keep watching, subscribe, share it with others, put a comment on the video. If you want a specific topic to be discussed, I will get that to you in detail. Thank you so much. This is Rohit Menon signing off.